Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas week 2. So today is December 8th, Sunday. I am currently working on starting to edit the video. I just turned my computer on. My computer struggles hardcore, so it usually takes it a little while to get going, but once I get my video edited and everything, then it's normally okay, and then I can just turn it off. I pretty much only use my computer for video editing now, and if I need to use it for something else, I normally borrow like my mom's computer or something, because buying a new computer just isn't in the cards for us right now, which is totally okay. This one works fine. And then I was just eating some spicy teriyaki noodles and watching Madison Miller's PR haul from yesterday, and Riku's here chewing on some of his bone that he had, and yeah. So my Jeffree Star mystery box is still not here, but I'm kind of disappointed because I feel like I should have just gone with the middle box, because I did watch some spoilers this morning and it looks like the only things he included in the mini boxes are the stickers and lip products, which normally he does like a lip product and like a skin frost, or you know, one of his highlighters, and so that's what I was expecting, but it looks like he only did lip products in the mini boxes, which is fine. Like, he gave the refund, which I never even saw the post that said it would be an exclusive cosmetic item, so I could have just gotten the stickers and, you know, been like, what? And then moved on. Like, so getting a refund is pretty cool. So like, I'm not gonna complain about getting only lip products, considering I'm getting only lip products for free now, plus stickers, which I happen to love stickers, so like, I don't know, that doesn't bother me at all. I'm just a little disappointed about not getting a highlighter, but I'm not like mad at Jeffree or anything. That would be stupid. So yeah, that's the update on that. Mine still haven't shipped yet, but he keeps saying in his post that they're super busy, and so it could take it a little while. He said in his post yesterday that they were only like 30% done shipping. So just waiting patiently. Also, I'm not upset about it because I was planning on using any duplicates I have for Christmas presents. So that'll be good. Don't think I have any other updates right now. Zach left for work this morning, so that's sad. I always miss him when he goes to work, but that is okay. And that was that. I feel like I vlog a lot more when Zach's gone, because like when he's here, I'm spending time with him. There was like several days in last week's vlog where I just like took like a 2-minute clip. But that's okay, because like once I go to edit it, it will make the video not super long. Which, by the time you're seeing this clip, my other Vlogmas will already be out, so whatever. I feel like I'm just rambling now. I should stop. I'm gonna finish this video, start editing, and I will check back in later. See you in a bit. I want to say bye, but like it's not really bye, because it's like see you later. Okay, see you later. So I'm working on uploading my first Vlogmas, but it is taking quite a while. It's not going to focus to where you can see it, apparently. What if I do this? There you go, kind of. It's only at 23%, and it's been going for at least an hour. It says it still has 2 hours and 40 minutes left, so that's great. So I've just been watching A Christmas Prince, The Royal Baby. That's on Netflix. Watched the other two the previous 2 years with my little rascal. He's already fallen asleep, it seems. it's okay. So yeah, hopefully I can get this video uploaded before too late. Oh well, if it is late, yeah, at least I got it uploaded today. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I know I didn't do a lot again, but that's just how it goes, and it kind of makes it easier for editing if I don't do a lot in a day, and it doesn't make the video quite as long. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. The aftermath of filming a makeup video. It's definitely been worse. Probably because I let it build up. So I should probably clean this before I try filming another makeup video. Oh, hello. You can see me in my extremely dirty mirror. Here's the look I just filmed. I'll be uploading the look video before this Vlogmas video goes up. So, you will have already seen this look, but I am in love with this. I'm just so sad because I need to take a shower really bad, but I don't want to wash this off. So it might be gross and push my shower off for a little bit. Not like days, like a few hours. So that I can enjoy this look a little longer. Anyways, I'm gonna go edit that video. I'm just gonna talk to you through this mirror now. I'm gonna go edit that video so that I can upload it in a day or two. Yeah, it's been a successful day so far. Is this the first time I've vlogged today? I think it is. So anyways, this is what I've been up to today. Creating a makeup video. How exciting. This is my winter look. I feel like I look like an ice queen, like Elsa. Blue eyes and red lips. I like it. Might have to do this when we actually go out somewhere. Don't you hate when you do your makeup and then like you love it, but then you're not going anywhere? I'm like, I physically can't go anywhere because Zach has the car, so yay. At least you guys get to see that. That's what makes me make it better, is I'm like, but whoever watches my video will get to see it, so it's not a complete loss. Anyways, my camera's about to die and I need to edit this video, so I will check in later, hopefully, if I don't forget again. Ooh, I'm the world's worst vlogger. Hello everybody, and wait, I'm starting this out as if it's the very beginning of the video, but actually it's day 3 of this week's Vlogmas. Sorry I look weird, I just took a shower and it's like drizzling outside. Okay. Oh yeah, so I just took a shower and it's drizzling outside, so I have my hood on, but I was about to take this little monster for a walk. Yeah, he heard me. Did you want to go for a walk? Are you going to be a good boy? Only good boys get walks. Yeah? You weren't being a good boy just a minute ago. No. He's going to be like, I don't know what you're talking about, Mom. Okay, so for today, what we're are you done?
Yes.
What we're doing is making fried Oreos.
But not just any fried Oreos. Oh, fried Oreos in the air fryer.
Yeah. My aunt told my mom about this recipe, so we're gonna try it and hopefully they'll be good. So yeah. So first things first is we preheat
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Our air fryer. We don't have the air fryer brand. We have New Wave. But you preheat. 2, 3. Oh, I did.
So you hit preheat, and then you do temperature to how much?
360.
Oh, okay. And then time to,
7.
and then you hit start.
Man, literally the only thing I did different was I did the time first.
Oh.
That's stupid. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is take crescent rolls,
Crescent
which
rolls.
Zach is opening. You can just use your finger. I always hate these things. You pop them open.
Pop them open. Wrap up the Oreos, right?
Yeah, and then you just wrap the Oreo in the crescent roll. What's the napkin for?
So I didn't
Oh.
spill any crescent rolls on the counter.
Oh, there's a sneak peek of another video I'm gonna do.
Oh.
Don't look at it. It's a surprise.
Too late, they all know.
It's never too late. Is it, Riku? Ignore that towel. We have water damage.
Oh, yeah.
And then you wrap it up somehow. She didn't like say exactly how to do all this. I might have to stretch it.
Oh, yeah.
So here's all our little baby Oreos wrapped up. So now what you do is you take cooking spray. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
You take cooking spray. So we just got this canola oil cooking spray. And you spray them. And now you put them in your air fryer. So here are our fried Oreos. I got a little done.
Yeah.
So hopefully they still taste good. I've got some powdered sugar to put on top. I don't know if we just like didn't do enough oil or what.
Or maybe we were supposed to flip them. No.
It's the same on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, it is. That was a little better on the bottom.
So just a second Oreo inside the crescent roll. Yeah. It'd be better if, like, maybe we had put some butter and sugar on the crescent rolls. Just plain crescent rolls I feel like is really bland. But it's definitely like the texture of a fried Oreo, I feel like. But, yeah, like I said, the crescent roll is like what brings it down. The Oreo part's really good though. Not bad for the first time. Now we know what to do for next time. It's pretty good, I think. I mean, you can't beat deep fryer. But this comes close. It's a lot easier.
Oh.
Hello.
Riku wants our Oreos.
I'm gonna say 7.5 out of 10. Would recommend. Try this at home.
I would say a 7. Or you could look up your own recipe. Oh, he thought I was gonna give it to him. What kind of chocolate? What's today's date? Welcome to
13th.
day 5 of this week's Vlogmas. I keep forgetting to vlog today. We saw Frozen 2 this morning, and
It was good.
did you like it as much as the first?
Not quite as much. But it was really good. Kristoff's one of my faves.
I'm eating. I agree. It was really good, but not quite as good as the first. Definitely worth seeing, I think. It wasn't quite as like childish as the first one.
Yeah.
Like there were some parts that I felt like were pretty dark. I mean, not like too dark for kids, but like I don't know how to explain it, you know? I don't know. I feel like it was more serious than the first one, like overall. And there were some parts that were like kind of pretty dark. But overall, it was a good movie. I would see it again. I would give it, compared to the first, 9 out of 10 stars. Just on its own, I think it's 10 out of 10 stars. You agree?
I agree.
Yeah. If you haven't seen it already. I feel like most people have seen it already. We're gonna play Exploding Kittens.
Boom, pow. We have to stop giving Riku bites of stuff because he doesn't eat as often. I'm sorry, bud.
He's not happy about it.
You have to be a good boy. Oh, I sabotaged myself.
That's disappointing.
Well, I died.
Really?
Yep.
I did get both diffuses. I had 3 diffuses.
Dang.
And Beard Cat and Hairy Potato Cat. I was like, what? I won! That's the first time I've ever won.